It's our last full day at the house. Gigi and the kids are out playing on the porch because that's pretty much their favorite place to be. They don't even need the ocean or the beach. And I'm actually getting some packing and cleaning done. Oh, and I also definitely just sat on the couch and sipped my coffee by myself, alone. Let's go see what they're doing. What you doing there, cutie? Okay.
Do you see our house?
You made a house.
We're camping in it.
Oh, you're camping.
Yeah, I'm making soup.
And making soup.
I'm a baby.
Yeah, show mommy your soup. You're really working hard on this.
It's poor vegetation.
Yeah. Oh, you need that t-shirt, Nicole. Right there. She needs that t-shirt.
What is her shirt?
She needs that t-shirt.
Oh, I do need it. What did his shirt say?
Welcome to the shit show.
Last chance to go swim in the big waves and chase them and play our silly game where we're going on a walk.
We go.
Ready to go.
Go, 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 go.
All right, let's go. All right, let's go in the water, babe. Go ahead. Uh-oh.
Baby one.
Oh! Gotta go. I got a game to play. Oh no! That's a big one. Oh no! It got us.
See?
Now I can see Michaela.
Like that. Oh, it was so.
My goodness.
Wasn't it so? Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. We missed you. Where did you go? No, he found it.
Where did you find it?
It's right on the beach. Where did you find your fishy?
On the beach.
Where'd it go?
All the way over there.
Oh, you left it over there?
Not actually.
Okay.
Made it.
There she is.
Stop to smell the roses.
The queen of the beach.
The queen of the, I'm the king of the road and the queen of the beach.
Yes, you are.
Wow.
Queen of the beaches.
Here's the princess.
I aspire to be
Here's
like the Queen Beach.
Someday she will be the Queen Beach.
I'm working hard at it. I'd say I'm pretty close.
Yeah, you do good.
Here I am trying to pack up the car, and I swear we thought we'd have more room leaving because we ate a lot of our food, etc. But somehow it doesn't look that way. This is where Mike comes in extra handy. He's very good at this puzzling things together part. But maybe I don't need to bring every last water bottle, but who wants to waste? I'll find a spot. What you doing there, cutie? Why are you eating your breakfast on the patio or on the step? Are you watching for some birds? Michaela thought she heard the garbage truck, so she's gonna eat her breakfast on the at the doorstep. Thank goodness she's eating her breakfast on the doorstep because her sole goal right now is to ask for another cup of milk every half a second, carry Gigi's purse around and say she's helping, dumping buckets into the trunk that I just organized nicely. Take your time, garbage truck, take your time. She's really helpful. Don't listen to her. So, we're in our last few minutes before we get Caden up and get back out of here. But we have one last thing. We need to go to the patio and look for my sandals one more time. Because they still haven't turned up.
You won't give it up, will you?
No, because flip-flops can't walk. Except for mine can. Weird. Okay, final walkthrough and we out.
Just move out.
The next hurdle is that Gigi left with the key, so we can't go anywhere. Oh, Gigi! We're missing an essential element to starting the car. Oh, she knows what it is. Okay.
Doors on that side.
All right, so I'm gonna back up again. We're at quite the angle.
Directions. Sure.
Oh, good. There's a car coming. We'll let you just go right on by.
How is that possible even?
You missed it?
Here's the garbage truck.
Michaela! Garbage man! Wow, imagine. Jeez, driving that around.
I can't.
Aww. By our house. By our beach.
By our waves.
Do you have the air conditioning on my tuckus?
I do. Would you prefer heat?
I just prefer nothing, I think. There's our wall of vines.
There it is. Did you want to go take a closer look again? It's too late. You have to.
Oh, it's okay. I'll turn around. We're into going in circles today.
I'm glad you're not running out of gas. That could be worse. Believe me.
Part of our course.
Can you imagine?
Excuse me. Have you looked up in the mountains in that direction by any chance?
No, I haven't. I refuse. Just keep your eyes on the road.
So just don't notice the fact that there's already clouds everywhere and they are low.
And I didn't.
I don't. Me either. Nope. Sunglasses back on and ham in my beer.
There she is. Driving away.
Are you taking a video of me or
She
yourself?
loves. I've got this now.
Oh,
You know, I bet we have something interesting back here. Oh, we seem to have a baby back there somewhere. Let me see. What do we have? We have a baby. There's the baby. Hi. Hi, baby. You know, what else? Oh, you want your video back on there, baby?
Oh yeah.
And we have a Michaela. Hello. Okay, what's the summary about?
Well,
We made it.
are you plotting? Because why? Yes. You also said, and I quote, "This is the best week's sleep I've gotten in I don't know how long." So,
That's true. That is, I couldn't pay enough hills to put me in the slip that I've been in this whole week. Oh, shoot. That was probably worth whatever I paid for that was.
Okay, what was your highlight or one or two of your favorite moments of our trip?
My favorite moments are my hugs from my team.
Yeah,
I got some really nice hugs.
she was very affectionate with you this week.
She was. It's very sweet.
I loved it. You were the preferred putter to better. You were the preferred everything.
She did sell you for Tommy a few times. She got rid of you.
I also believe at one point you were not Gigi.
Oh, really?
And she was not your Michaela.
Uh-oh.
So, I think you were one though and I'm about 12. She was a clear winner here. Michaela hugs.
Our little dinners and cocktails on the patio tonight. Just lovely. Just very nice. It's fun. So relax and get a view. Yes. That was good watching Kate run around the ocean with you. These little legs going. That was fun.
Yeah.
What's your highlight?
I liked Michaela and I when we would get up and go for the runs in the morning and she would scooter and we found new places. We saw dolphins and I got such good runs and I felt so good, just running again and the view was so beautiful and so flat. That was actually the highlight. Flat run. I really liked those mornings. And then she and I would go to the ocean afterwards and play in the waves, just her and I, and it was just very easy and laid back. And I don't know, that was a definite high for me. I really liked our cocktail hours too. I liked we'd either do it when we got the kids to bed, or we would do it. We would give them popcorn, and they could watch TV, and we would sit on the patio where we could see them, but pretend that we were alone. Have those yummy drinks each night. I don't know how you pulled off having a new special drink every night for 8 nights or whatever it was. That was impressive.
That's impressive.
That morning runs, cocktail hours, and kind of fun just being able to walk out on our beach. It was so convenient. We were just right on the water. Kayaking with Michaela was fun. Biking with everybody was not. That was fun, Mom. I'm glad we did that. It was fun to spend time with you.
Special.
Worth it. Especially since I didn't pay.
Yeah. Definitely. That would make it.
Hey,
really
I bought a tank of gas in California. That definitely counts for something.
Oh, yeah. It's because since you ran our tank dry.
It's true. We ran all of these tanks dry. Except for, I guess, theirs. Theirs never seemed to go dry.
I never do.
Never. Never, ever. I even thought, with all this ocean swimming, running, digging, that they'd sleep in the mornings. They didn't sleep in the mornings, no.
I think next time you go somewhere, you should take some blackout stuff with you.
Yeah.
Tape up the windows.
Yeah, that helped with it was so bright in their rooms. I was thinking you were going to say bring a nanny to just get up with them, and I was excited for that idea.
Paying for that part.
I think I might, and it would be worth it. Oh, girl can dream. Not for my foreseeable future, though. Good thing they're so cute.
Yeah.
True. Well, very cool, Mom. Thank you for that. We had fun.
Me too.
Now, can we make it home?
Almost there. We got another 1 hour.
Charge, yes. We're close, I think. Well, we're out. See you back in Tucson. High five. We're still kicking it.
Look at those beans. Look how tall we are. I had to put a box. I had to put a box because they keep falling over. Look how tall they are.
Oh my goodness. Who's that guy?
Yeah.